Have you logged into Handshake? As a health information management student, you have lifelong access to Handshake throughout your SNHU education and after graduation. Handshake is SNHU's one-stop shop for connecting with employers, searching for jobs and internships, and attending events, both in person and remotely. Handshake is your main tool for searching for practical experiences. Before you begin applying for jobs and practical experiences on Handshake, you will need to update your student profile, as well as upload a resume. Resources and tutorials are available to walk you through this in the description box below.
Once in Handshake, navigate to Jobs on the left side of your screen. Here, you can see your filter selections. Handshake filters are robust and customizable and will be a huge help for your job search. Click on All Filters and customize the filters for your search. For instance, you could select internships and remote. Be mindful of the major filter as well. If you have HIM on your Handshake profile, you'll be able to select it here. Otherwise, you can search for it, add it as a major. You can add other filters as needed, but best practice is to start broad and narrow down from there. Be sure to spend some time playing with the filters to suit your needs. Click Show Results and see what positions you can find. Don't forget to save your search to receive job alerts. More information about job alerts can be found in the description box.